Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how the Delizia Naturally Baby Balm, which just has sheep tallow, olive oil, that's it, 2 ingredients, how it's so natural while you can use it on your face, and I have to do this as one shot so you know I'm not fibbing, while you can use it on your face, you can also use it to cook. So I'm about to cook some eggs with this. So what I mean is I'm about to use it as if you don't have oil or olive oil or another fat, you can just use this. This is just, like I said, sheep fat and olive oil. So that's in the pan. Now, I don't know if you can see. I'm going to put more in actually, so because it's good for me. It's saturated fat. It's natural. I rendered it myself. I made that myself. Again, the Delizia Naturally Baby Balm. Nothing in it but sheep tallow and olive oil. So I'm just going to lift the pan up, and I think you can see that melting, hopefully. So that's melting. I'm just going to turn it down. The pan's getting quite warm. Okay, I'm going to crack 2 eggs. These are eggs from my parents who have chickens. So I'm going to just do it very simply. Nothing fancy. It's really just to demonstrate that oil. So I'm just whisking them in a bowl. Very quick. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of cream. It's a little bit lush. I just like, if I have it, sometimes I don't have it. But if I have cream, I do put some in. Sometimes I put a bit of milk. Just a touch, just to make it creamier. You can see that, I hope. Okay, put that there. Okay, this is going in the pan now. It's just a cast iron pan. You can hear them cooking, hopefully. Just swirling it around so you can just see the protein cooking. Turn it down. So with the cast iron pan, there's enough heat in the pan to continue it cooking even when you turn it off. This is not by any means a cooking show. So yeah, there's some stuff on the pan, but that's quite alright. My aim is just to show you that I'm going to eat the eggs cooked with the sheep fat. I could have put way more fat on there, but I didn't. Or way more cream, I should say. Okay, that's ready. I'm just going to put it on the plate, and then I'm going to just show you. These are the eggs cooked with Delizia Naturally, no fragrance, Baby Balm. That's how natural our skincare is. If you can eat it, you can put it on your skin, you know that there's no nasties in there. Completely toxic free. It's quite good actually. Very hot.